PNI Voyager S1400 is a device that records events during driving, proving to be a very useful one in situations such as car accidents. Voyager S1400 can be easily mounted on the windscreen with the help of the suction cup included in the package. The DVR has two cameras, one in the front that records Full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels and a field of view of 160 degrees, and the second camera that records with a resolution of 720 pixels HD and a field of view of 130 degrees. Thus, you can capture the events that are happening in front and at the back of the vehicle. The secondary camera can be rotated in the desired position. PNI Voyager S1400 has different useful functions such as motion detection, loop recording, night vision mode, and collision sensor. Other useful features are 2.7-inch color screen, microphone and loudspeaker, microSD card slot, and USB interface for transferring data to PC. The car charger with lighter jack is also included in the package.